Welcome to this video brought to you by Prodevans. Video demonstrate provisioning of Jupyter Lab as a service using PDCloudEX, Red Hat Ansible, and Red Hat OpenShift Container Platform. The end user is logging into the service portal of PDCloudEX and filling the details of service name and project name. Once he adding to the shopping cart and order is placed, he can find the order details of the lab. User has to approve the order with a valid reason. Once the admin user is approved the order request, now the end user get the approved status of the lab. We can see the progress of our order under My Services and Active Services, like the management engine UID and what's the order it is. In the backend, we have an Ansible playbook performing the entire automation and entire orchestration. So the following are the list of the tasks getting performed on the OpenShift container platform. Let's go ahead with OpenShift container platform and check whether the Jupyter Hub application is deployed successfully or not. Now the application and the database pod instances of the Jupyter is deployed successfully. The end user is accessing the application by clicking the URL. Once the end user login into the Jupyter, he can find the spanning section of several notebook server. So there he can span whatever the notebook you would like to run the Python code. Once the user is spanned successfully, he can find the notebook option, console, and a terminal. So the user is selecting the notebook option and testing the Python code is working or not. So once he entered into the cell, the code is working fine. Let's go to the OpenShift Web Console. The new pod instance for the end user Ajay is created. Also, you can find the user Ajay is logging into the minimal notebook with Python 3.6. Let's log in into the different end user Deepak and span different notebook servers. Now the user Deepak is spanning into the R notebook server and you can find the R language option. In the same cell is going to generating the sine wave. So the sine wave is generated successfully. Now is changing the thickness of the sine wave. That also working fine in Jupyter platform. If you have any queries, please contact ask@prodevans.com.